Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make fresh fruit popsicles that your kids would love. Here we go. Today we're going to show you how to make strawberry flavored fruit popsicles. Once you have it all blended up, go ahead and taste it and then see if you need to add sugar. Just keep adding it in little by little until you get it to the sweetness level you're looking for. So we're just going to pour this into them and freeze them. So now that I've got them all filled up, I'll put them in the freezer for a day or two to let them harden up nicely. And then just run them underwater, run this part underwater to release it, to pull it out. Since I had leftovers, we're just going to have a yummy little treat right now. So here's how they look a couple days later. Nice and solid. Deliciousness. So we're going to get the water nice and hot and then run the mold under it. You can see on this type of mold, it'll start to get whiter as it releases. Go all the way around. And when it's ready, you just pull it out nicely. Well, there you have it. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I have more videos coming.